Our customers are truly global. They range from small OEMs that might make lawn and garden equipment up to the biggest agricultural companies in the world, auto manufacturers, truck and bus manufacturers, machine manufacturers, distributors that cut across virtually every industry on the planet.
I have the opportunity as an engineer to think about, here's some problems, how could we solve them? How much can we improve a product? How can we improve what our customers do? And really think about endless possibilities, not just small incremental improvements.
Gates really drives its employees to keep innovating, try to stay ahead of the technology, really dive deep and explore problems. It's just really exciting.
It really starts with the customer, and there really is an innovation process where we think about what's going on in the market, what are trends we're seeing, the need for longer life products, lighter weight products, cleaner, safer products. And there's some common themes that cut across industries that we bring back into our innovation processes.
Driven by possibility means to me that we're going to try and use our products in applications where people never thought it was possible before.
We've entered into, I think, a new realm where the science and the engineering are starting to come together and enable us to provide new products that we haven't considered in the past.
Applications such as places where they're using huge industrial roller chains that are very heavy, require a lot of maintenance. How can we put a belt in that application that gives the customer less maintenance, better efficiency, more uptime?
Probably the best things for customers is they're always looking for a market edge as well. When we can bring innovative products to them that are best in the industry, then they can compete much easier with their competitors.
Gates is unique amongst our competitors because we own and develop so much of our own material science and material technology. And we have our own compound development. We do our own design of tensile cord, fabric, textiles. Everything is Gates developed and Gates owned. We can change it and do whatever we need to make it better for the customer.
We have specialists in metals and polymers, rubbers, plastics, and we all work together every single day to make sure that not only do we have one material that works, but we have a whole ecosystem of materials that works together.
Innovation is not just simply an invention, but it is taking an inventive idea and transforming it to something useful for an application, for a customer, for a market. So for us, material science is the core of innovation, because if you don't have that material and the science to put it together, you don't have innovation. You don't have invention. You just got ideas.